talking more in conversations with you. With you, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I don't wanna be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 Another season we leave behind. Another story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind. I couldn't face what I couldn't find. Just need to know I need peace of mind. Where are you now? Even though I won't believe it.
It's not perfect, but it is a lot closer. You like it?
I do.
Awesome.
Are you free?
I am. I think it looks really great. Like, I didn't think you were going to get this far, honestly. I didn't think it was going to tone out quite this much. But you got a lot toned out.
Oh my gosh.
It really looks pretty cohesive now. Just kind of like it has some highlights in it.
Yeah, it looks so much softer.
Yay!
Oh my gosh, I think it looks so good.
I'm so glad that you're happy with it.
So, what would we have to do next? I mean, do you still think it needs the all day?
Now,
bleaching?
again, so there's not a right or wrong answer there, and that I'm not necessarily saying that you need that. I'm just saying if you want it to be white, then that's what we would have to do. But if you are happy with, and you look pretty white right now, but you definitely still have some blonde in there. So for some people, that's a big bother. For other people, they're like, it looks fine to me. So it really is something that you kind of have to judge.
So just live with it for a little while.
Yep,
and
take
see
a little
it.
bit of time and go, either I love this, or you know what, I just wish that those yellow pieces were not quite as there. Or, you know, I mean, because it doesn't have to be, we don't have to do a full head of bleaching everything. It could also just be that we, you know, there are problem areas that bother you, and we could do something like that. So it really just depends on, after you've lived with it for a little while, what you're thinking as far as, you know, this would drive me less crazy if this were like this.
Okay. And so if we didn't do that, then the next time you just highlight, or what do you do?
So the next time I would just keep doing what we're doing.
Okay.
I mean, unless you want something different.
Okay.
Because I wouldn't start adjusting your natural color. We just continue to let that kind of grow in. And we would just adjust what needs to be, like if you know, like whatever starts yellowing back up again.
Okay.
Now again, that is all based on whether or not that's what you're looking for. So
Right.
if you decided that you wanted something different, obviously we take a different approach.
Okay. Well, I love it today.
Well, yay.
There's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. If you can make me smile, if only for a while. There's always this big part of me wanna believe in what I see. Believe in you and me.